Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for today. And if you're new here to the channel, we do daily videos revealing profitable Amazon KDP keywords and discussing ideas and ways to utilize these keywords to create low, medium, and high content books. Now, the keywords that I'm going to reveal for you today are researched carefully using 4 free Chrome extensions that you can go ahead and access. Linked in the description box below, there will be a video where I made that explains how you can be able to download and correctly use these Chrome extensions to gather your own profitable Amazon KDP keywords and do your own keyword research. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. And the first keyword for today's video is Beginner's Guide to Raising Chicken. Beginner's Guide to Raising Chicken has a keyword niche score of 66 by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension. Green light as well, and also it has a keyword niche score of number 9 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, indicating the keyword strength as well. So I'm pretty happy with both keyword niche scores by Titans and by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. They both complement each other beautifully. Coming next to the total results, we have the total results sitting at 384 under 1,000, which is ideal. The average bestseller rank is 870,575, and yes, I do hear it is quite high, but you can easily break through these high bestseller rank by niching down or by focusing on creating 1 or 2 books under this keyword and moving on to the next keyword in order to create a diversified Amazon KDP portfolio and be able to have a combination of evergreen, seasonal, trending, as well as not so extremely profitable keywords, and then you would be able to move on to the next more profitable keyword, but still have that in your portfolio and in your library of books that you've created. So we have also the average reviews of 321 and the average price of $11.48. And what you're going to be creating here, the idea behind it, is you're going to be creating a guide, a book, preferably a high content book, which goes offers a beginner's guide to raising chicken. So everything that you need to know about raising chicken, the simplest information as well. Also, for example, you could also use ChatGPT or other AI assistant to come up with a table of contents suggestion, to come up with ideas on what sections and what things you need to talk about. Now, don't use it to completely copy and paste sections, but use it as a guide to help as an assistant to come up with ideas, to brainstorm, to come up with maybe a suggested table of contents, which you will then use as inspiration and edit as well. Also, you could go ahead and create a low content book, which would be more of a logbook and a tracker for those that are willing to raise chickens and they're looking for something like a logbook to track the inventory, to track the stock, to track the material needed to raise these chickens, as well as the number of chickens that they have, to monitor, to seek as a form of, like a checklist as well. Like, yes, in the morning they need to, step 1, feed the chickens, step 2, do this and that, step 3, check the inventory, and so forth as well. That would be also a great idea. Now, you could also access graphics in Creative Fabrica, and you can simply go ahead and write chickens or raising chickens right here, and there will be a combination of beautifully illustrated graphics that you can use for your interior as well as for your cover. Apart from that, you can also be able to take advantage of the 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica All Access, which allows you to download a maximum of 10 downloads for the full 30 days, and it will be for free completely, and you can cancel whenever you want. That link will be in the description box below. So that was the first keyword for the day, and the second keyword was dot paper logbook for truckers 2023. Dot paper logbook for truckers 2023 has a total results under 1,000, and currently the total results are at super low 96. We also have the average bestseller rank under 300,000, which is ideal, and the average bestseller rank is currently sitting at 294,544, which is good. The average reviews are 109, and the average price is $9.92. We also have a really strong keyword niche score that complements this data beautifully. we have a keyword niche score of number 9, which is the highest on the scale offered by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this beautiful keyword as a great niche. Here, I'm going to ignore the number 14 given by Titan's Chrome extension because it does not complement this information right here. First of all, you've got the total results under 1,000, average bestseller rank below 300,000, a good price as well, and a good amount of reviews and a high keyword niche score. And this is exactly why we aim to use more than 2-3 Chrome extensions at the same time and activate them so we can have something to compare against and also use our logic at the same time. Now, what you'll be creating for this wonderful keyword is you'll be creating a logbook that contains dot paper. So it's a type of paper that has dots on it. You can get the interior on Creative Fabric as well, specifically for truckers to run and monitor and track their progress and things that they need to do, checklist and so forth. And it is for 2023. Now, as of making this video, it's not ideal to create anything for 2023 now that we are at the first week of October. So it's ideal to not include 2023 in your title or in your subtitle because it's not relevant anymore. And also you should never include a year number in your title or subtitle. Only include it in the cover, include it in the 7 keyword slots if you see that you need to, because once you include a year number in your title or subtitle, it cannot be changed anymore. This book will be limited for just that year, and it might continue to sell, but it will always give that impression to the customer that it is no longer relevant after the year has ended. So avoid the title or subtitle including the year number, and you can go ahead and make a 2024 version that way and include it in the cover and include it in the 7 keyword slots. And I wish you all the best in regards to this wonderful keyword right here. Now, heading over to Creative Fabrica, we're just going to go and search dot paper and dot paper logbook and see if there's anything that comes up as well for that you can be able to utilize. Now, if there is not a specific dot paper logbook for truckers, you can go ahead and use, for example, whatever brainstorming assistant that you use, in this case ChatGPT, and say, I'm going to create a dot paper logbook for truckers. What sections should I include? What kind of checklist, what kind of information can I include specifically for truckers? That way it would be amazing and you'll be able to utilize it also. So we have a total of 90 results for the keyword dot paper logbook. That's something that you could also be able to utilize. This one is also nice, but you would replace the titles with whatever are specific for the truckers. For example, here you'd replace this and that with whatever information are relevant to truckers, and I'm sure ChatGPT will be able to help you with ideas. Yet again, always use that as an assistant and not as a complete write-up. So that was the second keyword for today's video, and the third and the final keyword is truck dot logbook paper. Now, it has wonderful results. You could also use that as part of your title, as part of your subtitle. You could also use this as well as a combination of this keyword right here because they are connected. This one, for example, is exactly the same as the previous one, but without the keyword 2023, and also it has also great potential, so you can use that as part of your title. You can also utilize this wonderful keyword as part of your 7 keyword slots, so you can get your book ranking for both of the keywords. So if customers were to enter this keyword or that current keyword, your book will pop up. First of all, let's break down through the results. We have a wonderful keyword niche score of 40 by Self-Publishing Titans and a keyword niche score of number 8. So we have the total results under 1,000, and they're currently sitting at 151, and the average bestseller rank is currently at 365,404. The average reviews at 81, and the average price is $11.90. I wish you all the best. Let's quickly summarize the keywords that we talked about, starting with Beginner's Guide to Raising Chickens with a keyword niche score of 66. Also, we have dot paper logbook for truckers 2023 with a keyword niche score of 9. And finally, we had truck dot logbook paper with a keyword niche score of 40 and number 8. I wish you all the best. Take care. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these videos. I'll see you in the next one.